Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Somebody's trying to reduplicate this. They've done a pretty good job on the one side, but they were thinking, see, they made some shapes to write their text in. They tried the envelope tool, and I've done it, and there's probably an easier way to do it, and it's not perfect. But first of all, I'm going to maybe show them how to draw an easier shape. I am going to take the 3-point curve line, and I'm going to go from right there to right there. I'm going to give it a little bit of a curve. I'm going to go from right there to right there and give it a little bit of maybe a downward curve maybe. Then I'm going to, my nudge factor is set on 4 inches. I'm going to grab my Smart Fill tool and I'm going to fill that in. Now I do not like that rough edge on the one side. So at this time, I'm going to take the shape tool and see what happens when I delete it. Let's see what that looks like when it goes back. That might work. Let's go ahead and get rid of our lines. I don't like that rough spot up top. Let's take the text tool or the shape tool. That might have deleted a little bit too much. But anyway, I wish there was another way. And there might be. I'm going to look into this. Let's move this down. I think you're just going to have to retype it. So with your text tool, before you have anything selected, change this to like 10 points. Whoop, I had that selected. Well, you know what? That's 15 points. Let's leave it at 15 points. Well, 12 points is good. And if you see the text with an A, move it over the line and it shows edge. Then it shows a curved line. Just move a little bit more in and you'll get a dotted box. What that did is gave you a paragraph text. And then just type. And don't let me just type this out. You can always change the size. You can, hit the enter key and go to the next line. I wish, and there probably is, maybe somebody will chime in. I can't type and talk. And like right here, I'm going to go to the next line. And don't worry about the size. And I'm actually going to put that word in the middle by itself. Well, no, new would probably. Now, I probably didn't, I can center justify it, period. And please, if you know of another way, please chime in. And what's going to happen when I change the size, it'll change it completely. And we can do a lot with it. probably didn't have to type out the whole thing. Y'all are probably getting bored. Yeah, I got a misspelled word, but I can go back with the text tool. Now, with the text tool, select all the text. And we're going to go and make it a little bit bigger font. And we can go right here to center justified. And then you could still, and like I said, this is kind of all new to me. You know, you can still change things around. It's still in text mode. So if you wanted a different word font, you can take it and just highlight it with the text tool and change it to another font. And then when you're through, I don't know how to get rid of the, there we go. Got rid of the frame. And then just take this and move it over. And then take away that line. Maybe you're going to have to go to object. Nope. Maybe we just take the virtual segment delete key and delete that line. Hopefully it won't. Yeah. You know, that doesn't look half bad itself. Let's try something else. There we go. Just hit the escape key and it'll take, well, maybe not. There we go. That's not bad. I just hit delete on the line. You know, you could change things around. You know, you could still make the font a little bigger, but it looks pretty good. Anyway, and really, truly, if you know how to just add that group of text into that, there is a way with text warp, but I don't think it'll work on this case. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.